Hello traders, I'm Jason from Sureshot. Today I have got another forecast about EURAUD for the upcoming week. But before you look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with EURAUD market. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. We'll start our analysis with the hourly timeframe market structure of EURAUD. Last week we saw that market initiated a pullback and mitigated this order block, and after that it gave us a reaction, changing the character of market from bullish to bearish, and afterwards we can clearly spot the bearish trend with lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and currently we may be getting a lower high. So following current market structure, we can clearly see that on hourly time frame market is bearish, and as this is Monday, market is pulling back to this order blocks, which is M30 order block. If we go to 30 minutes time frame, we can clearly see that there was a order block, and we can also spot another order block at the top of the swing. So if you go to our 1 hour time frame once again, then you can clearly see that we also have marked the Fibonacci retracement levels of 50% and 78% here. So market is already at a premium price, so we can expect a lower high to be formed at this order block or even at this order block. So as this Monday, we are already seeing a pullback, which could be a false inducement to take traders to the wrong side, and after that it might continue to go even lower. So we might get a reaction from either this order block or even this order block. We don't know. That's why we want to see a confirmation on lower time frames like this. Let's say we want to see change of character on lower time frame like 15-minute or 5-minute time frame from this order block zones, and afterwards we'll enter the market from the zone that broke the market structure on lower time frame. Now, here is an alternative scenario, is that market may continue to go higher and break this swing point with an impulsive body close, and after that market may continue to go even higher to give us a deeper retracement level and mitigate either this order block or even go for this order block as well. But until this strong high is broken, we'll continue to look for sell setups from this order block zones. So let's summarize the forecast for you once again. EURAUD bias is potentially bearish this week. Last week we saw a bearish continuation move, and hoping that it will continue this week as well. So we'll be looking for sell setups at pullback for the rest of the week until this high gets taken out. From what I see in the charts, I think EURAUD might keep going up to these order blocks until we saw a change of character on lower time frame, and afterwards it might continue to its bearish movement once again this week. We'll see what happens in the market in the next few days. It's always important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, Forex trading carries risk, so staying informed and managing your risk wisely is the key. That's all for our EURAUD forecast for the week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshot for more helpful information about Forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.